Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna share with you how I made this candle holder by using all the things that I already had at my house. So if you are interested in how I made this, then please keep on watching. I'm starting by making balls with foil paper. So here I made 3 small balls and 2 big balls of foil paper. If you are new to my channel, it's so good to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now I am making the top part out of clay, something like this. I am trying to create just enough room so that it can hold the candle. Now I am making the bottom part of the holder with the help of a lid. Now my aim is to get these clay balls into this skewer stick so that I will have a much stronger support in the center. I've also applied glue in between these balls so that they can stick properly. Now the base of the holder is done and I'm quickly gonna make the another part of the holder. Making very simple leaves here, but you can make anything of your choice. I've already pasted this branch to the holder. This is absolutely optional to make. Even without this branch, this holder will look very pretty. So you can also skip this part. Now I'll be use gold dust to give it an antique look. You can also make it full gold or full black or any other color of your liking. And your candle stand is ready. So what do you guys think of this candle stand? I hope you like this idea, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and also share your views and feedback in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. I talk to you guys soon in my next DIY video. Till then, take care and stay safe.